So here's a Ree Yees on card. It's graded UKG 70. You can see it's got a bit of a bubble crack there. It's a real shame. And it's a Taiwan figure, so this figure's made in Taiwan. The other one I just showed you was a Hong Kong figure. This one's made in Taiwan. It's got some creasing in the corner there, creasing there. Overall nice card. A bit of creasing around the hole punch and that top corner. Great image on the card. You can see the crack there. I'm wondering if this happened when it got posted. See the crack there. Look at that. So Kenner bubbles are prone to massive yellowing and sometimes they do crack. So card gets 70, bubble 75, figure 85, and it's a yellow 70 overall. Star Wars Return of the Jedi, Ree Yees, 1983, Kenner 77 back. See the bubble there cracked. The figure's an 85, Taiwan. It's quite an easy figure to find. The Taiwan figure will have like slightly different paint variations to the Hong Kong or Lily Lede figure. Quite a nice looking figure though. There's a great image of him there. According to the movie, he fights a yak face because he's very drunk at the time. It's the back of the card, 77 back, A card I think. And you can see all 77 figures. You can see it says figure made in Taiwan. There's the pop, proof of purchase. So in America you had to send these in to get free stuff. These are the other things you could buy, the Rancor, Catapult, Glider and Rebo set. And there's the figures on the back. Ree Yees was one of the first 65 figures of the first Return of Jedi line of figures. Have a look at this Return of Jedi 77 back, Ree Yees, yellow bubble with crack. Very upset about that crack. I'm wondering if that happened in the post. At the moment it goes from that side all the way to about here. So it's really disappointing. That's the problem with posting Star Wars figures, they can get damaged in the post. The figure could have just hit the back of the bubble and over time just caused the crack. You can have a good look at the figure though, quite a nice looking figure. Good look at the Ree Yees. And get it to focus. 3 eyes. Green boots. And there's the bubble crack. See there's a little gap on this side. Eyes are black. And there's a great image on the card. Ree Yees, Return of the Jedi, 77 back. Great looking figure. Nice. Shame about that bubble crack. It's the first time I've noticed it, so I don't know, kind of disappointed about that. Eventually it's going to get worse. But these Kenner bubbles are prone to yellowing, and so they become a bit more brittle over time, and then prone to cracking. Nice looking figure though. So it's Ree Yees on Return of Jedi 77 back, made in Taiwan. Okay.